Primary 3 Math, second term 2021. We have chapter 3, lesson 83. As we learned before, we will have some objectives to learn. Recognize how to locate unit fractions on number line. Second, we will compare unit fractions using number line. We will represent then compare. We will solve various problems on it. Now let's go to our lesson keywords. Unit fractions, number line, fractions denominator, and comparing unit fractions. Now, let's go to our tools. We need a booklet, pencil, ruler, and notebook. Now, you can represent the fractions on number line as we learned in the previous video. Okay, now can you differentiate between them? Which is bigger? Which is smaller, or are they equal or not? Okay, we will use number line. Now, watch this video about comparing fractions using number line, then back to work by scanning this. Okay, now let's go to do our exercises. Notice them with the suitable sign greater than or smaller than or equal to. We have number 1, half, and next side it will be fourth. In the first number line, we want to represent the half. Half in this number line, after we distribute it in two equal parts, it will be like this. Half. This part is a half, and next one it will be quarter. When we distribute this number line in 4 equal parts, it will be fourth. Which is bigger, half or fourth? Half or fourth? Yes, it will be half. Now let's go to the next one. Number 2, we have fifths and sevenths. Fifths and sevenths. And let's go to our number line. Fifths here, we want to distribute this number line in 5 equal parts. It will be fifths here, this part only. And sevenths, next one, it will be, it's like this, 7 equal parts, and this part is called sevenths. Which is bigger, fifths or sevenths? Yes, it will be fifths. Next one, number 3, we have a third and a fourth. In the first number line, we have no fractions, we need to write it. In this number line, we divide this strip in 3 equal parts. It will be third, 2/3, and 3/3. And this part is called third. And in the second number line, it will be, we divide this strip in 4 equal parts, and as we do here and we do here in number line, it will be 4 equal parts. Fourths, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, the whole one. And fourth, when we shade this part only, it will be fourth. Which is bigger, third or fourth? Yes, it will be third. Now let's go to the next one. We have number 4, sixes and 1 whole, or whole 1. Sixes. In this number line, we need to write down our fractions. It will be sixes, 2 sixes, 3 sixes, 4 sixes, 5 sixes, and the whole one here, it will be 6 sixes. And sixes only, it will be this part only. And second one is called 1. It will be colored all this. It will be like this. Which is bigger? Yes, 1 is bigger than sixes. It will be like this. Now let's go to the next one, number 5. We have nines here and fifths here. We want to represent the nines and the fifths in these number lines. Nines means distribute this number line into 9 equal parts, and each part is a nines. Nines, 2 nines, 3 nines, 4 nines, 5 nines, 6 nines, 7 nines, 8 nines, and the whole one here is 9 nines. And the nines only will be this part only. Okay, let's go to fifths. It will be distribute this number line into 5 equal parts like this. Each part is a fifths, 2 fifths, 3 fifths, 4 fifths, and the whole one will be 5 fifths. And fifths will be only this part. It will be fifths. Which is bigger, fifths or nines? Nines or fifths? it will be fifths. Okay, now let's go to evaluate our work. Exercise number 6, we have here 8s and 12s, and we want to present it in number line and then compare. First, we will press pause to solve it, then press play to listen to our explanation of your work. Here we have 8s in the first fraction. With number line, we will draw our fraction strip divided into 8 equal parts. And each part is an 8. Okay, let's write down on number line these fractions. 8s, 2 8s, 3 8s, 4 8s, 5 8s, 6 8s, 7 8s, and the whole one it will be 8 8s. And the 8s only will be this part only. Okay, let's go to our 1/12. Okay, it will be divide this number line into 12 equal parts from our fraction strip and write down fractions: 12s, 2 12s, 3 12s, 4 12s, 5 12s, 6 12s, 7 12s, 8 12s, 9 12s, 10 12s, 11 12s, and the whole one will be, yes, 12 12s. Okay, and 1/12 will be which part? Yes, this part only. It will be like this. Now, which is bigger? 1/8 or 1/12? Yes, from here it will be 1/8. Thanks, good job. Now let's go to our conclusion of this lesson, comparing fractions using number line. We have unit fractions and the number line. Divide number line according to the fractions denominator. Finally, we will comparing fractions. Our next lesson keywords will be line plot graph, you will remember it, proper fractions, models, and proper fractions common denominator, comparing proper fractions. Thanks, goodbye.